Well, good Wednesday morning. It is once again decided to allow moisture to fall from the sky. Need to get these tables and chairs all picked up. We had thought that would be a good idea. That has turned into a nightmare. It's just easier to pay me to use the Gator, take a couple hours, and move the stuff that way. Because I just don't think that once that thing is all put together, if it ever gets put together, will fit back where it needs to fit. That's just how it is. I don't think it will, but I don't know. So I got the bright idea, rather than making a couple hundred trips or so, is why not utilize this Gator to haul, more stuff over. When I get one Gator empty, I can just bring it back, take the full Gator, go and load it, bring the empty Gator back again, load them both, and let the process repeat. Should go a little bit quicker, but like I says, I got my doubts. Kind of was a little bit too, I wasn't kind of going fast enough, and that's why the mark there, that tire became light in the rear end because all the weight is on that side. But it is what it is. Like I said, it'll take a couple of, it should speed it up a little bit quicker because I'm not having to load the same vehicle multiple times. Instead, I got two vehicles I can load and make things go a little bit quicker. So I tried the idea of having two cameras going at one time. That's a nice idea. I really like that idea, but, and I've tried it before in the video that you guys will see tonight. October the 15th at, I believe it comes out, I think it's either 5 or 6. I can't remember what I had it scheduled for. That's the one thing that I like about scheduling videos is there's more tables here that I can put on the machine. That's the one thing I like about being able to schedule videos when you have such limited space on your computer, is that you can upload a video to YouTube, get all the stuff that you need all edited and everything, and then you can, once uploaded to YouTube, you can delete your pictures, or I mean, what your folder is titled. Basically, it imports to pictures, and then you can find all your video clips there. What I do is I delete the clips, the video clips after the video that I've done getting ready for YouTube has uploaded to YouTube, so that way I can have more space for new content. That is why you guys are seeing this stuff days in behind what I'm actually going through. Like the actual day, you guys might see it like 5-6 days or so behind this actual video that I'm doing here. So that is why what is going to happen is just how it's going to be. It's too much to try and edit from two cameras, or two SD cards I should say. It's just easier to have one camera going and not have to worry about all the headaches and everything. So this seems to be going rather lovely. I like how this is working out so far with two machines going. Here's what that thing is supposed to look like. okay, that I'm trying to set up. We only have 6 of those long Allen screws right there. Only 6 of them, and there's supposed to be 13 of them. So we don't even have all the stuff I need to finish it. It wouldn't work in here anyhow because you got these guards here on the tedder that come out here. I guess these can be slid in. You just got to take this bolt out here, take these bolts out and shove them in. We don't. We just let them alone from factory, and that is how that is going to roll. It wouldn't fit in here anyhow. There's too much stuff here to go around, and by the looks of the picture, that thing is has some length to it, so it wouldn't, in my opinion, I don't think it would work anyhow. But I don't know. It would be easier with a cart thing, but you know what? This is how we're doing it for now. So I come up with an idea. As you guys can see, I'm rather full. I've come up with an idea to go down this little bit of a grade here, cut it to the right, and then back myself around a corner. So that way the weight is all against the front of the machine, rather than having to worry about it sliding off the bed. And just like that. This is actually working out pretty dang good. You sure do miss the power steering, but hey, it is what it is. Turn. Makes the job it makes the job seem not so long, not take so long, if that makes sense. Making good headway. Very, very pleased at how things are turning out. I cannot believe how well this is going. So well. Letting the stuff sit and idle all morning in between loading and unloading is a heck of a lot better than paying big bucks for a starter for 2 machines, because you kept starting and stopping them while you were loading and unloading. Making good work. Real good work. Or I should say good time. Could have almost got everything on that last load, but hey, this went better than I thought it would. I'm honestly very pleased with how well things went. Didn't even quite take it a full hour to move everything. See what happens when you pull your head out of your butt and use 2 gators instead of just 1? It makes the process go a lot quicker. Well, figured it easier to make the mess in here from the straw ride, so that way, because we're gonna have to end up blowing the building out anyhow from the birds going after that wagon of straw. So I was like, what the hell, you know? Just be easier to make the mess over here than having to tote wagons over, unload the straw off the wagons, tow the wagons back over. It would just be easier just to take it over in a Gator. What all do I have to do today? There's nothing going on, so I can screw around and be lazy like other people would say that I would be, and just, you know. Would be nice if that bed was a little bit wider, but there ain't no way I'm paying $40,000+ for a Gator that has just a little wider bed. That I'm only gonna use it to full capacity maybe what, 2-3 times a year. I can come up with other ways to haul my straw, hay, whatever, or just not haul as much at one time. Told you we'll make it work. We'll definitely make it work. You ever just have that feeling that I think there's something in front of the lens. Oh yeah, there it is. Yep, there, got it. I had that feeling on my way over that I shouldn't have put them 3 bales on tailgate, because they slid all off the back going up that hill there, and I lost them. But that's okay. It happens. No, yeah. Yep, there they are. Best thing John Deere did. Best thing was put the park brake in the transmission, and I got rid of that stupid foot actuated park brake there with the cable. Best design ever.